and gents, I'm David Attenborough, and today we will be observing the wild Tigger in his natural habitat, the chair. While we slowly approach him, we find something to our right. It seems to be the wind. We'll slowly get a little closer. You can clearly see him right there. Let's see what he's trying to do. He seems to be doing what he always does and looks at the air or takes a nap. We'll approach him very, very slowly without trying to disturb him. Oh, this is the closest any man has ever gotten. Wow, it is truly a sight. No man or woman has ever petted this before. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm David Attenborough.